There are three different methods for customizing the look and feel of your DocuTools documents. Just quickly an overview of the three methods. Method one is what we call a document-only customization. What that means is that you're modifying the look and feel for your current document. You're modifying the style sheet for the current document that's open. But that means that you're not modifying the style sheet for the underlying template or skin that that document is based on. So what that means is the changes to the look and feel that you make for the current document will stay with that document as you open and close the document, but they will not be reflected in new documents that you create out of DocuTools templates that are in your starter. It's very easy to make the kinds of changes using method one, and we'll walk through those in a moment in the tutorial. Method two means that we're making changes to the underlying template or skin file, which means that all new documents based on that template or skin file will include that new look and feel. So if you're certain that the look and feel changes you want to make are changes that you want across a number of documents or projects, and certainly if you want to share that skin with other colleagues, that's a good way to go. Method three is more of method two, but a bit more advanced in the sense that you're going beyond just the style sheet and actually making some modifications to other objects and properties, such as the notes and alerts, table formats, and even page layout properties, such as the page orientation, margins, and things like that. We're going to focus on method one, the document-only customization to start. Okay, we see here that we have a simple structured topic. And if we wanted to customize the look and feel of this document, the best way to do that is by bringing up the style sheet for the document. And if you're not familiar with Word's style sheet function, you can access that in a couple different places. One is from the ribbon. You can access that from the Styles button here. And you can also access it in the task pane over here. So I select that and you'll see a list of styles. These are styles that are used in the document. And you'll see that when I put my cursor on this topic title, that it highlights in blue the style that's in use, heading 3 topic title. Similarly, if I put my cursor on a subtopic, it's highlighting heading 4 subtopic and so on. DocuTools has a variety of styles and you can experiment with all of them. And the easiest way to do that, there are actually two ways of doing that, but the easiest is to go ahead and make changes to an example of a style. So this is a topic title, and heading 3 topic title is highlighted. And let's say, for example, that I want in my document all of my topic titles instead to be red and perhaps a little larger, and maybe a different typeface, just to keep the example simple. Okay, now you'll see in the style sheet what it's done is it's actually left heading 3 topic title alone and created a variant of heading 3 topic title. And if we decide that we want this to be a permanent change to this style in this document, I'm going to go ahead and right click on heading 3 topic title and select update heading 3 to match selection. That's what I've highlighted. And once I do that, you'll see that the variant is no longer there, and instead the main heading 3 topic title style is now changed. Similarly, I could do that with a subtopic. If I wanted the subtopic to look a little bit different, make it green, I'll make that a little bit larger, and maybe we'll change that as well. So to make that change, I'm going to highlight that, I'm going to go to heading for a subtopic label, right click, update, and now you can see it immediately applied that change to all other instances of heading for a subtopic. There's another way to manipulate the look and feel in the style sheet, and that's by actually going to each individual style, right-clicking, and selecting Modify. And when I do that, now is when you can really do a deep dive into the detailed properties for each style. So you'll see, first and foremost, a preview of what that style looks like. Some tips here. Do not change the name of the style. That's very important. And secondly, we would discourage anyone from changing these properties as well. It's best just to leave these alone. However, everything in the formatting area is fair game. You can experiment with this. The alignment, the typeface, the colors, and then you'll see down here is a format button, and you can really experiment quite a bit with what Word can already do in the way of extensive formatting, and all of those will stay with the style. So lots of possibilities there. Down here at the bottom, leave these as you see them here. So do not check Add to Quick Style List or Automatically Update, and you want to apply this only in this document. So as you can see, it only takes a few seconds to experiment with changing the look and feel of your document. And again, this is method 1, so these changes will stay with this particular document, but when I start a new DocuTools document, you'll see the original look and feel. For more advanced customizations, such as changing the actual underlying template in Skin, you'll see that demonstrated in other tutorials.